see. That's almost too close for a little dude. All right, you'll be fine here. Maybe, we'll see. All right. Oh. All right. Come to me. All right, so the first one, just a nice little layup to get you started, right? So how do you solve the first one? 12. So y equals 31. Kick ass. Second one, another little layup just to get the blood flowing. Subtract 8. K equals negative 12. Kick ass. This one, good. So you don't care about there's negative. All you do is you say, why is the x not by itself? It's subtracted by 12, so I want to add 12. Don't let the order of it or anything else freak you out. That's all you're thinking about. Plus 12, so you get x equals 10. Cool. This one, it looks a little bit freaky. Not quite as freaky as that one. Yeah, good. Well, sure. You could do this. You could subtract 4x. Let me do it this way, and then we'll do it that way. So I like this way. The thing about this way is you're keeping your x positive. Now, this is where somebody could make a mistake and say x equals 4. But no, you follow the order. This is x, then there's a plus 4, then there's an equal sign, and then there's a 0. So then what do you do at the end here? Subtract 4. X equals negative 4. Now the other way to do it, that I think more people did it this way, but then it freaked you out with the what the hell to do at the end. You subtracted 5x. Bam. 4 equals negative x, and then you're like, what the hell? Oh, let me put it over there. Let me know when I do that. You're like, what are you doing, Jeff? I'm not showing you. I don't want you to see. But, I told somebody, what if it was 4 equals 2x? Then your brain pretty much latches onto that and say, oh, I divide by 2, of course, right? Whatever the hell that number is in front of the x, you divide by. So what number is in front of the x? Negative 1. So you divide by negative 1. So you get negative 4 equals x, because the negatives cancel. Either way you do it, same answer. Thank God. All right. So far, so good. So what about number 5? Good. I got a lot of stuff to do on this side. 4 and 3, 7, minus 6. So I just get 1x minus 6 equals 13. Add the 6. X equals 19. That's right. Now 6 looks weird, and I understand why some of you guys might have thought you had to FOIL it, but what operation is in the middle? So I am not going to FOIL. That's multiplication foiling, right? So are these parentheses even needed? No, there's a 1 out front, so that would just be 8r minus 3. But what do I have to do here? Distribute a negative. So negative 7r minus 1. So that's the big mistake people make there. Equals negative 6. Go away, line. How are we doing so far? So on this side, what can I do? Yeah, that makes r, and this makes negative 4 equals negative 6. Add 4. R equals negative 2. Uh-oh, what happened? What the what? Is that cool? You guys are cool with that? Let me know if not, or forever hold your peace. All right. So real quick, the bonus question, this one freaks people out. But remind me, look at this problem. This problem looked a lot like that problem. It just had an extra 4 in it. What was the first thing we did on this problem? We got our x's together, right? So I do the same thing here. There it is. I do the exact same thing here. My x's are not together yet, so how do I move these over? Subtract 5x. So what's on the side now? 0 equals 2x. You don't care. This 0 doesn't tell you shit. You don't care about that 0. All you care about is this is 2x. How do I kill the 2? Divide by 2. What's 0 divided by anything? 0. And think about it. What's the only number that I can multiply by 5, and it's the same thing as multiplying it by 7? 0 is the only number that would do that, right? All right. All right. So let's do this. Get your stuff together and go out the door just a little bit. And I'm going to try to run out there and get in front of you guys. And we're going to take a little tour. This should take less than 10 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, sure. If you got homework, you can turn it in up here real quick.
The stapler. I borrowed that.
Oh, yeah. The 2 people that need an ad code, don't forget to get that from me.
With corrections on homework, do you just want us to turn in, do you want to like staple the correction homework and the new homework?
Oh yeah, I forgot to say, yeah, so never change the original, just, you can do it on another sheet of paper and staple it, or if you can do it on the same piece of paper if I can tell what's going on.
Okay.
Either way.
I think